Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another review video. Now before we get started, I'd just like to remind you, if you want your product reviewed by me on this channel right here on Mike's Man Cave, please contact me on my email address that I've got listed down below. Now today we're doing a review video, and look, I don't know how to pronounce this, Syneco Ratchet tie down straps. Now these are the cheapest ratchet tie down straps at Bunnings, hence the title of the video, and we're doing a review on these. Now these cost under $10, they're $9.90 or $9.50 or something like that, and they are available at Bunnings. They've got a lashing capacity of 300 kilos and they do not have a locking hook. They've just got this open hook here that you can see. Now the straps are 25 millimeters wide, or roughly 1 inch, and they are 4.5 meters long. So each strap is 4.5 meters long, and as you can see there, they do comply with Australian standards. Now the reason I got these is I've got to pick up some furniture that I've got stored away in the storage unit, and I've got to do that tomorrow, and I have actually replaced a lot of my ratchet straps which were worn and the fabric was cut and frayed. So I just wanted some new ones. And look, I didn't want to go overboard, and these were under $10 each, and I actually bought 6 of these. I bought 3 packets, so I spent just under $30 for 6 tie-down ratchet straps. We're going for a drive tomorrow to the storage unit to pick up some of the things that I've mentioned, and we will be using these ratchet straps. So you will see these in action very shortly. There you go. That'll do. Now here we are all loaded up, and we've got a massive spider web of tie downs, as you can see there, and they do work quite well. There you go, tied down there, and more stuff tied down there. What a mess.